Installing Microsoft Dynamics CRM, now part of Microsoft Dynamics 365, involves several steps to ensure proper setup and configuration. Here's a simplified guide to help you through the installation process. System requirements. Before installation, verify that your server meets the minimum system requirements, including supported operating systems, hardware specifications, and necessary software prerequisites such as SQL Server. Download Dynamics 365. Go to the Microsoft Dynamics 365 website or your Microsoft account and download the installation package. Ensure you choose the correct version based on your licensing and requirements. Run the installer. Launch the downloaded installer. You will be prompted to accept the license agreement and select the installation type. Configure database. If you're installing on premises, configure the SQL Server database settings. You may need to specify the database server name and credentials. Select features. Choose the features you wish to install, such as sales, customer service, or marketing modules. You can also configure additional settings, such as email integration. Complete installation. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. After installation, access the CRM through your web browser, log in with your credentials, and configure user roles and permissions as needed. Post-installation configuration. Finally, customize your CRM settings, import data, and set up workflows to tailor Dynamics CRM to your organization's needs.